these brands are also good, but I haven't tried them. Thank you so much, Jean, for sending me these. My friend from Jean Grey Vlogs sent me a ton of makeup, and they've been sitting for 2 weeks now, and this is the makeup look that I made out of it. It made my day. It probably will make my entire week, because it's like a nice thing getting into the goodie bag and finding out which one you're gonna use for this look. So if you love this look, please stay tuned and find out how I achieved this. Hi! So these are the makeup goodies, and this is my isolation bag. I got this from Bouquet Fresh, and they just switch bags every time you order. So it's very cheap and it's very biodegradable, of course, because this is natural leaves. And what I do when I needed to put stuff that needs to let sit for a bit so that viruses can die, I put them in my natural leaf bags, and I just like store it for a bit. And these makeups, they've been sitting for too long. I haven't touched them, so this is the time to actually do a makeup look. I haven't put anything on except this lip balm from L'Occitane. This is the glycerin brow soap. It's actually, it says it's a wax. My trick to good looking brows, natural looking brows, I got that trick from my friend, same friend who sent me these makeup, and she actually said that she uses glycerin soap, but I don't have them right now. I used my kojic soap. So this one is the solution, and she even sent me a spoolie to get the product into my eyebrows. So I'm gonna do my brows. And the good thing about this is that it doesn't dry up. My kojic soap, they dry up. So remember when I told you in my tutorial that you don't need to put on water? That's only because the soap wasn't dry. But when it dries up, because it has been out of the water for so long, it hasn't been touched for so long, you just can't get any product in your spoolie anymore. And this glycerin wax is actually very good because it doesn't matter how long it has been sitting, because you still can get some wax into your brows. And this acts as a glue where your eyebrow product can actually latch on, and then you can draw some natural looking brows. I'm gonna cheat this once just because there's no brow product, and I just want to show you how good the glycerin wax is actually. So I'm using this designing brow pencil from the Face Shop. Getting harder and harder to do brows because I haven't been putting on makeup. So I have this pore filler from NYX, but I think it's a bit pink. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use it for my eyes. Oh, it dries up so fast. Yeah, one thing I need you to know about the wax up brow, once you have set the eyebrow product on top of this one, there's no going back. This is actually an Ultra Glow palette that she sent. She doesn't have any eyeshadows in here, but it's fine. Oh, wait, hold on. She sent these. She sent the Stony Molly. I think this is a glitter shadow. Also this one. It's pigmented. Or maybe this is from Daiso, but it looks like this. She also sent me this Makeup Forever. Ooh, so pretty, right? You can actually make an eyeshadow of this. I don't even make like a peach shadow. It has a bit of a shimmer, but it's very faint. It almost looks matte. I understand why among all the four of this squad, this is the one that almost hit pan. Yeah. It's pretty. Why don't we try this pink? Okay, I'm going all the way in with this Makeup Forever, which wasn't the plan, but you know, here we are. These days, you don't really get to use your blushes anymore, so I really suggest that you use them as eyeshadows. Maybe some of you hate strong blushes, but use them as eyeshadows instead. Just need another blending brush just to soften the edges. I'm gonna build it up some more and make it more pink. This duo glitter liner, so I just love this because it's super pigmented. I usually don't use eyeliners because they tug in my eyelids. I usually like liquid liners, but this one is just so pigmented. It's even pigmented even on top of a matte eyeshadow. I love it. I ruined it. Okay. Like my mom always warns me about, don't overdo the twisting. And then I'd like to put something underneath. Tony Moly. Oh, this feels like a felt tip foam. When you do, okay, it retracts. When you do this, it kind of picks up some glitter, and this is kind of like a glittery gold. This is, oh, this is nice. I like it. It's mini glitter. I like it. Ooh. The glitter of my dreams. It's so tiny, but there's glitter. And I hope you can see that. I don't know if it registers. I hope it does. I'm gonna build it up. Like everything I put on, I'm gonna build it up later. I'm just showing you how to apply it. Oh, I need this because, you know, my Milk eyeliner from NYX, I wasn't able to properly sharpen it, so I threw it away. I don't know how to sharpen it. I honestly don't know. So let's like line it here for the waterline. So easy to waterline with this. Super love it. And we're gonna put something over here just to open my eyes even more. Although at this point you shouldn't be doing an inner corner highlight yet, but I'm just tempted to see if this registers well. Fairly good, but the waterlining is also on point. Let me just intensify. She gave me Fit. Okay, I haven't tried this yet. One is darker, one is lighter, and of course she did this because she's very considerate enough to know that I'm gonna mix them. But I'm gonna use this leftover primer for this part of my cheeks. It's already dried up. I'm so sorry for that. Should have applied it sooner. Yeah, because it dries up so fast, that NYX product. So I'm gonna just add some more of that. I'm not gonna put it anywhere near my T-zone because it makes me look oily. This color is Classic Ivory. No, definitely not my color. Natural beige. If it is yellow tone, this is my color. Yeah, this seems more like my color, but we're gonna mix it because I really don't get much sun these days. So this is just, I'm sure this is the perfect color for me. Ooh, this is really nice. I got so attached with my L'Oreal foundation that I never really come around to trying the Fit Me foundation, but I've heard so many good reviews about it. The one thing that doesn't suit me would be the Superstay foundation. It just gave me so much whiteheads. I gave it to my sister. It's so easy to blend. I've always wanted to try the Fit Me concealer, and she sent me 2 colors again so I can combine. But because I usually use a lighter, like maybe 2-3 shades lighter, I will use this. I think this is also Classic Ivory. Oh no, this is 20 cents, so this probably is good. Yeah. Just right. It's super pigmented. Put in concealer around my nose. And over here. Really good. I can tell now. I'm gonna use this when I try this, the dark shade. You Glow Girl from JCat Beauty. I haven't tried any of the JCat Beauty. Let me just... This is the highlight of my galaxy. I love it because it's golden. And gold is just perfect for my skin tone because I have yellow tone skin. Okay, enough! When it comes to highlight, I just can't seem to have enough. This shade instead. So she sent me the RCMA. I haven't tried this. I've heard good reviews about it. She also sent me this from Maybelline Clear Smooth. And then the Ben Nye. I haven't tried this. So I'm gonna try this because it's banana. Like, put some in my palm. Really pretty. I like everything is just coming together, you know. Let's contour with this because this is darker to fit me. So we'll try to contour my nose. Probably not the smartest thing to do to contour after you've already placed your powder, but who cares? It's freestyle. You can freestyle all you want. It's your face. Glow on my nose because I love doing this to my chin. Like, it just makes you look like you have a heart-shaped face, although I have a very round face. Super loving this Ben Nye. Remember the time when everybody was baking and I never really enjoyed it, you know? I just kind of like did it, but after some time I stopped doing it because it's not good for my under eyes. It just shows so much wrinkles, like my age, and maybe because I have so much oil over here that just gathers so much and just shows up. Let's go to the eyes because she sent me this wonderful mascara. And before I forget, I needed to do some inner corner highlight, so I'm gonna add the same J-Cat Beauty on my inner corner before I forget. Then one of the best things that she sent would be this hyper curl. Let's be over the top, so we're gonna put a lot on the lower eyelashes. So last would be the lips, and she sent me these four. One is Cathy Doll Nude Me, one is Jolt Matte. I think this is somewhat a red color. You read me. So this is eyebrow, no, this is not lipstick, this is an eyebrow coat. Okay, this is MAC, and the color is Flat Out Fabulous. This, I think, is the closest to my look right now. She also sent me a lip liner, but I think this is red and doesn't match. So this one is from Mumuso. I think it's more of a brick red shade, so we're not gonna use it. Oh, it smells so good. Smells like cookies. Again, thank you so much, Jean, for sending me these makeup. I super love this stash. It's so nice to be able to understand somebody else's collection, and these brands are also famous, but I haven't really tried them because, you know, I don't really go into like a shopping spree of makeup. Most of the time I feel guilty with having so much makeup when I'm not a makeup artist, but Jean is a makeup artist, and you know, she has like a lot, and it was so nice of her to send some along to me. So thanks a lot, Jean, and I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, please leave a thumbs up, and I hope to see you again in my channel. Be safe, everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye!